The 2020 AEA Member of the Year is Kevin Miesbach of Duncan Aviation in Lincoln, Nebraska. A 38-year employee, Kevin drives Duncan Aviation's components repair services toward new business opportunities with OEMs, government entities, and new product capabilities. With a lifelong interest in aviation, he earned an associate degree in electronic engineering technology from Southeast Community College. Upon graduation in 1982, he began his career as an avionics technician with Lincoln Avionics. At the time, Lincoln Avionics was partly owned by Duncan Aviation and provided avionics support to general aviation aircraft like Cessna 182s and Piper Cherokees. When Lincoln Avionics was liquidated in 1985, Kevin transferred to Duncan Aviation, installing new avionics systems on business aircraft, including Citations and Learjets. He later joined the components repair team, working avionics line and bench maintenance on corporate jets and turboprops of all makes and models. In 1993, Kevin was promoted to NAVCOM team leader, and after 7 years took over as avionics shop supervisor. He spent 15 years moving from the supervisor role to avionics instrument shop manager. Kevin's first introduction to the AEA was at a regional meeting in Lincoln, Nebraska in the early 1980s. Since then, he has taken advantage of training and networking opportunities and has been a regular attendee at the AEA International Convention and Trade Show and the AEA Connect conferences. Kevin met Mary, his wife of 29 years, while working together at Duncan Aviation. Together, they have 3 grown children, Nick, Mallory, and Andy. Ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate Kevin Miesbach of Duncan Aviation, the 2020 AEA Member of the Year.